Good morning. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. Okay. Stay safe and read nicely. Okay, because now it's examination time also. So be safe. Okay. Now, yes, we are sending the videos. That's very good. You are taking help of those videos also. But the most important thing I would like to suggest here that try to come in online classes. Okay, and there we cover most of the topics. Okay, your doubts will be cleared there face to face. Yes, though it is online, but even then face to face we can ask our doubts. You can get all the explanation very nicely there you can ask. Here you are not asking any question, here I am explaining only. And in the online classes you ask the questions, you ask the doubts, and it is cleared by all the teachers. Okay, so that's why try to come regularly in the online classes. Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter that is called coordinate geometry. Okay, so what is that coordinate geometry? So see, in the branch of mathematics, the coordinate geometry is called Cartesian geometry also, and the study of geometry with the use of coordinate system, the study of geometry using a coordinate system is called coordinate geometry. Now what is coordinate system? Everything I will explain today, everything. Okay, but see where it is mainly used. In class 9 we have given very little introduction about coordinate geometry. In higher classes it is used widely there. Okay, but where it is used in physics and engineering. Okay, it is used in physics and engineering here. Okay, where it is used in physics, it is used mainly in aviation. We read that that air traffic controller is there. They used to give the coordinates to the plane. You have to go this height, this location. So in this way, two planes can never come in the same direction or in the same line. Here that coordinates are working and they help us to make them fly in the sky very nicely and very smoothly there. Okay, like rocket and space science also, when our satellites are evolving, we know the coordinates where exactly the satellite is, because many satellites are there, so we have to find the location. So in that, coordinate geometry is always working there. Okay, it may be 2-dimension or 3-dimension. What is 2-dimension, 3-dimension? The next slide I will explain. 2-dimension means there will be 2 axes x and y. 3-dimension means there will be 3 axes x, y and z. But in class 9 we have to read only 2-dimensional geometry there. Okay, plane is the most important thing in geometry. What is plane? Plane is, see here, it is written that the plane is given a coordinate system by which every point has a pair of real number coordinates. Okay, what is that? See here, it is like this. This is here. Suppose that this is the plane x and y. Why this is a plane? Because if I draw 2 points here, these 2 points can be joined by a straight line. So this type of thing is called plane, where 2 points can be joined by the straight line and it has no thickness. These lines can be extended in any direction, okay, infinitely. So this thing is called plane here. Okay, now what after that? What is the most important thing here? Now we have the, I said no, I will explain what is 2-dimension, 3-dimension. So this is called 2-dimension. See, this is when a location of a point is written in x coordinates and y coordinates. This is called plane. Here what is x coordinate? X coordinate represents the horizontal position and y coordinate represents its vertical position. I have shown you that figure. So this horizontal is called x and this vertical is called y. Clear? Now the point can be written is ordered pair. This is called ordered pair. When the point is written in the x and y form, so this is called ordered pair. Okay, we have to read only 2 dimensions, so x and y. Further it can be also written x, y and z, but we don't have to read this part. Okay, so we'll read only 2 dimensions and we are reading also. Now what is that after next one? What is that? here it is very clear now. See, suppose, see, lots of points are here, no? See, one point is here, one point is here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now see. Okay, so first of all see here that, see, this is where it has gone, it is flying. This is x and this is y, so this is called plane. Okay, points are there, na? 2, 3, -3 and 1. So these points are also there. So now we are going to discuss these things here. Suppose that we have taken this point 2 and 3. So what does mean 2? 2 means distance from the x-axis here. Okay, what is the distance on x-axis? It is 2. See, so that's why the first point is written as 2. And what is distance on y-axis? That is 3. So that is written as 3 here. And what is order pair? Order pair is that first you write x and then you write y. So same thing has been written here. Okay, in everywhere in every point you will see that first of all x will be written and then y will see. Suppose that this point you are taken, so -3 and 1. Okay, -3 means distance on x-axis. Okay, that is -3. X coordinate is -3. Y is 1 here. Okay, so in this way the points are written, and more clearly it is given here in this point. See, this is the first is our x coordinate. First is our x coordinate and second point is our y coordinate. Understood how to represent the point on the plane? What is the order pair? This is the order pair, x first and then y. Okay, now what? Now is some terms in this one. Okay, so see, points are the name of the point, x coordinate and y coordinate. This I just explained. This is x-axis written here. See, this is y-axis, and these things I have explained in this figure only. Okay, x coordinates and y coordinates. So this is how, first of all, 4 and 2 is a point. It will be represented by a, b, c, d something. First in the bracket, the first one is your x coordinates, second number is your y coordinates. Make it very clear. Okay, now same thing is given here also. See, in the plane the points can be joined by the straight line. See, a and b has been joined there, so this is called plane here. Okay, now what is origin? That is also important. Origin means where the two axes meet and their order pair is 0, 0. This is called origin. From here you may call this is the reference point also. So from where the points are traced out. Points are traced out only. Okay, so these things are here, and these are the main important things also. Okay, till now we have read about coordinate geometry and its location of points, order pair, plane, x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay, in the next class we'll learn something new there. Okay, and we'll learn about quadrants, abscissa, equation of n x y axis. These things we'll learn in the next class. Till then, all of you revise this very nicely, and when we'll meet in the next class, some new topics will be there. All of you just take and be regular in the online classes. Okay, and lots of things all the teachers teach there also. In this video, yes, it is helpful, it may be helpful, I think it is very helpful also, but here we discuss only, and there we discuss together, you and the teachers. Okay, so be regular, be punctual on time, be punctual, come on time, and in the next class we'll learn something new about the coordinate geometry. Till then, all of you take care class. Thank you very much.